just don't know anymore, man. Shopping cart hates me, conch shell hates me, and now rubber spatula hates me.
They said that?
Didn't have to. I can see it on their faces. Straight contempt. Every last one of them.
Don't you think you might be overreacting?
I'm sorry, Glue. What's your room number again? That's right. You don't have one because you don't live at the hotel. So please, before I have a heart attack, tell me how you could possibly know more than me about this. Go on, I want to hear.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
May I suggest something?
Of course, you don't gotta ask. I always value your input.
Okay, well, people tend to like it when people do nice things for them.
Oh, I see where you're going with this. I do a couple good deeds, and then they'll all want to be my friend and do whatever I want.
Well, you shouldn't do nice things expecting a reward.
You're a lifesaver, man. See you around.
I need to stop hanging out with them.
Candy helper here. One of you guys owns a pet snake, right? It ran away.
What?
Sorry, slithered away.
How did you get unstuck?
I asked a question first. So none of you owns Spots? He's green and black, about yay tall, likes to bolt off really fast when you take off its leash.
It says all that on the collar.
Yes.
Well, it's no one here's. Now, can you answer my question?
Oh, well, everyone, an escape! We all got caught and glued onto the roof and all that, except I quickly realized they forgot to put glue under me. Not sure how they overlooked that. I guess I just got lucky, except for my screen being cracked. Had to spend a pretty penny getting that fixed.
You know, Robot Flower probably has some adhesive remover in her shop. If you go down and get it, you can unglue all of us.
Would that be a good deed?
What?
Would that be a good deed? Would you guys like me and do stuff for me in return?
Sure.
What about the contestants? If I get caught, then I'm stuck with all of you guys. And no offense, but I'd rather strap myself in front of a train and crash it into a wall than have that happen.
None taken.
They're all off doing a challenge in the middle of the canal, miles away.
This might be our only chance to escape.
Okay, I'll do it. First things first, communication is key. I'll need you guys to give me directions. Let me just get myself a mic.
PDA.
What?
You have a microphone built in.
You guys need a microphone though.
Camera has one too.
Oh yeah. Okay then, where's camera? Yikes.
Locating Bluetooth device.
Yeah, awesome name, dude.
Bluetooth connection failed.
What? Come on. Just gotta go into the settings or whatever. Just give me a second. And
Bluetooth device connected.
there we go.
Just go in the hotel already.
Okay.
There we go. Just go in the hotel already.
La 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 la.
Okay, so Robot Flower's shop should have adhesive remover. Go down to the first floor. Are you down there yet?
Still going downstairs.
No, you aren't.
We can all see you on the hotel security camera.
Okay, look, I have something I need to do.
We don't have time. Get away from my room and go downstairs.
Oh wait, is this your room?
No, it's not.
Too late.
PDA, stay out of my room. I'm gonna count to 3, PDA. 1, 2, 2.5, 2.75, 2.7875.
Consider your room cleaned. I found some clutter to toss.
What? Those aren't yours to throw out.
Haha.
Why are you laughing? They're going into your room next.
What? Do not step foot in my room, PDA.
Jeez, I'm just trying to clean up. Be grateful.
Oh, out of all people, why'd it have to be them?
Hello? Fanny? Sorry, I think I know what happened to Tree.
What on canal happened here?
I think someone gave life back to my body, so when I was recovered, I came back like this.
This is ridiculous. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Maybe we could...
Hold that thought. I think I see someone drowning. To your right.
Where?
About a mile away.
Did you hear that?
Black holes aren't known for their sense of hearing.
Okay, Conchi, what do you got?
Just normal stuff, you know? I'm a normal guy.
Normal stuff. That's good. I like normal stuff.
Go downstairs already.
The challenge can end at any second.
What in the world is that?
Huh?
The poster.
The one with the puppies?
I'm astounded you don't immediately know which one I'm talking about.
The kitty one?
The one where you are dying!
Oh, that's when I had pink eye.
I didn't know pink eye could be that bad. I'm uncomfortable now.
PDA, the plan!
I'm not doing your stupid plan, idiot!
What?
Strange. Sorry about that outburst, guys. Just got a little stressed.
What do you mean you're not doing my plan?
They're not answering. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up!
Stop! Please stop! I'm gonna be sick! Now what do we do?
We wait. That's all we can do.
Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened there. Hello? They hate you. What? That's why they're ignoring you. They hate you and they want you to fail. I knew they hated me. I just knew it. I give and give and give and they all just don't care. That's why. Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe this is all my fault. Whoa. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Nothing is ever your fault, PDA. You're right. Sorry about that. I just don't get how they could be so mad at me if I'm doing everything right. Because they suck. Everyone sucks. They see you, your genius mind, your charismatic nature, and your bowling high score of 196, and they feel bad about themselves. You're better than them. You don't owe them anything. For once in your life, PDA, do something for yourself. Do something for myself. Huh. I've never thought of that before. Thanks, PDA.
Okay, I just had an awesome idea, guys. What if we send PDA down to get the glue remover for us?
What? We've been doing that.
PDA! Did you get the glue remover?
No, actually, I didn't. I'm tired of always having to do stuff for you.
What?
Your plan sucked. I came up with a better one. And even though I shouldn't, given how rude you've all been to me all my life, I'm gonna help you guys too.
Hey guys, lose something?
Whoa, what the?
Dead, alive, dead, alive, dead, alive, dead, alive, dead, alive, dead, alive, dead, alive.
What are you doing unstuck, PDA?
Oh shoot. Gotta do my plan, quick!
Plan?
I made a catapult from all the stuff I borrowed from your guys' rooms. I figured, even if we got unglued, 2 would just snap us back. With this, we can take care of 2 for good. Unfortunately, I didn't get the materials to make it bigger than this. But David killed Goliath with only a pebble, you know? Okay, wait, let me try again. One more time, just wait a sec. Okay, I swear it'll work this.
So, thanks, PDA.
Be quiet.
Hey, everyone, let's all say it together. Thanks, PDA. Okay, why did no one else say it with me?
We all make mistakes, Rubber Spatula.
Sure, but there's a difference between making a mistake and deliberate sabotage.
Sabotage? You think I screwed up on purpose? You know, I had a plan B, but now I'm thinking you guys don't deserve it.
That's fine with me.
Yeah.
Me too.
Okay, if you guys want me to do it so bad, I guess I'll save the day. Come on, pick up. What? You know what? Being glued is fine, actually. I doubt I'll need to move anytime soon.
So, you don't have a plan C?
No.
Good riddance.
Dude, did you just throw that picture into the water?
What?
That is littering. What is wrong with you?
I mean, I don't know.
Why are you arguing with me? Go pick it up.
Okay.
This is the only planet we get, you know.